Good morning, good morning, Penn High School. I'm I'm Butterworth Foster, bringing you the 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 latest and tips and advice today. I will be talking about friendship tips. Number one, if you are friends with someone for long enough, there are sure to be angles that that otherwise they if they do take take a deep breath and talk about it. Number two, when friends tell you something they they often look of understanding, practice good listening skills. Number three, true true friendship is when you stand up for your friends and need. Number four, get to know about your friends. Focus on your conversation. Number five, it's okay to take a break and let's get back your energy. Sometimes you need a break and a beautiful place. I'm I'm Isabella Woods Foster with your tip. I I be back next time with more tip. Now back to the desk.